How to do Adho Mukha Swastikasana. Let's understand the meaning of this pose. Adho Mukha Swastikasana means downward facing cross leg pose. What are the benefits of this pose? A very effective pose for your hip joints, your knees, and most important, it gives you a good lengthening of your spine. Who should avoid doing this pose? The people, those who have knee injury, they should avoid doing this pose. So let's start. So we'll be taking a blanket. When there is a blanket, it's always easy for you to descend better. So we'll be going into Dandasana. Make sure you are flexing your foot properly, taking your palms onto the sides of the buttocks. From here, you are taking your right foot out, get an external rotation in the whole right leg from the hip till the foot, and then place it exactly under the back of the knee area. And then the same thing will be doing it with the left leg. Move it towards the outer side and then pull the leg and place it exactly under the knee area. Now, when you are here into this position, you are extending your both arms up towards the ceiling. Become more taller and taller in the spine. Your armpit needs to have a lot of opening. Most important, the spine should length up towards the ceiling. From here, keep that lengthening of the spine, move forward, maximize the length, and then go with the cup-shaped fingers. When you are going with the cup-shaped fingers, you have to really extend your best as much as possible you can. Always remember, the hip should not lift. The sitting bones should be going into the mat, into the blanket. Keep moving forward. And then finally, if you can rest your head on the ground, very good. Otherwise, you can just stay here into Adho Mukha Swastikasana. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more yoga tutorials.